Hey everyone, this is Leo San. For this video, I'm showing everyone how to do option trading. The simplest way, the easiest way, to do it. Which is Robinhood. Because Robinhood, when you go to option, it's not confusing. Everything just clean and clear, and unlike Thinkorswim, I looked at it, it's some next level stuff. I don't understand. I can't read it. So I'm gonna stick to the basic stuff. As long as you're making money, that's all that matters, right? Okay. Anyways. So let me tell you a little small story about how I got started option. Basically, I've been doing penny stock for about close to 2 years, 3 years maybe, and it's been a roller coaster ride with penny stock because it's going up, down, up, down. I'm not really going nowhere too much with penny stocks. I'm win big, lose big. And then a buddy told me about option, and I told him, hey, I got my hand tied with stock market. I mean penny stock, and he's been telling me for months. My buddy Jay Wright right there in Discord, shout out to him, thanks to him, that really got me started with option trading. But anyways, he's telling me to do it, and I haven't done it. So about a month ago, I just started. So now in your head, you may be thinking, why would you listen to somebody who just started option a month ago? Well, that may be true, but I'm entitled to, because I've been doing penny stock for a while. So I've been reading a lot of chart. I've been looking at chart, predicting patterns and stuff, because I'm a technical trader. So thanks to penny stocks I've been doing the past years, I used all that knowledge and I put it into option trading, because like I said, option and stock market, it works the same way. The only difference is that you're putting a little bit of money in option versus a lot of money in stocks, because like every one contract is only worth 100 shares. Now you try to go by Snap, 100 shares, see how much that costs, okay? But with option, you buy one contract, it's really cheap, because I'm guessing how the way it's set up is it's like Walmart package. It's like you're buying a Walmart package in a bundle, but in that bundle's a lot. So you're buying it for cheap. But anyways, okay. Where am I at? Yeah. So yep, that's option, and so I think I'm doing pretty good with it, using what I've learned in the past. And I'm gonna show you some of my recent gains. After I show you my recent gains, I'll show you the basic way how to do options. Okay, so this is Snap Call. I got in yesterday and I made over $1,000, and if I tried to buy that stock right out, no, I wouldn't be making that much. I wouldn't even putting that much money, so I make $1,000. Okay, and SNE, $60. Tesla, I've been in and out in that stock so many times, and every time I get in, I make money. I mean, I get out. I find myself getting out too soon too. Maybe because of what happened to me with penny stock. Because when I make gains, I get out quick. But yeah, so I got out in and out with Tesla many times. This is when I kind of got started a few weeks ago. I tested out with just one contract. It's best if you knew, start out one contract, start out one contract to see how it works. Pay one contract, make $47. Let me see. Okay, another Tesla. This is EA. Today I made about $600 some. So there you go, folks. Another Netflix $200 plug. Don't mess with option with pennies. I'm just trying some out, but hey, $60. Okay, so now let's start how to do it. Okay, so when you get to option screen, when you get to a stock that you want to do option, okay, for example, I'm gonna use SPIT. Okay, so when you get there, you see this screen, right? And the bottom you see click buy, sell of the option. Now, if the stock don't have the option area, that means the stock itself you cannot option trade, so you can't do it. Okay, so when you click option, this will show up. You have to set an expired date. See the red white circle? It's best to put it 2 or 3 weeks in further, because you don't want to put it too close. What if the stock don't get to your price, so you lose, and you have better chance to set them for 2 or 3 weeks. Let it just in case you get in the stock, the option, and it didn't go your way. But hey, the further you put it, the more it costs too. So it's low risk, but high chance. That's why it costs more, And don't worry about selling option, because I heard you could lose a lot of money and more, So worry about buying. So buy, call, or buy put. When you buy a call, that's when you think a stock is going up. Okay, when you buy a put, that's when you think a stock is going down. Hold up, son. Wait. Hold up, son. Go back. Hold up. Okay, and the yellow area is the share price of the stock at the moment. I wouldn't pay attention to the Robinhood right here. Pay attention to real time one like Thinkorswim. So for any stock, anything that's under the share price, you see right here, anything that's under the share price is in the money. When it's above it, it's out the money. So when it's out the money, it costs cheaper. But it's in the money, it costs more because it's being traded. It's being traded. So and look at the break even. See the break even is lower too. So that's your objective. Just your goal is to reach the break even. The closer you get to the break even, the more money you make, and the more contract you have, the more money you make too. Okay, you understand now? So look at the break even when it's outside the money. It's higher. See that? It's higher. 868. Okay. Uh, yeah. So that's about it. So y'all know what to do. So that's the simplest way. See how easy that is? But another thing, even though it looks simple, what I just explained, you have to understand technical. You have to look at the chart. Look at the chart. Use trading view. Look at the chart. You still do some research too. But the beauty about option is that you're able to trade big stock with less money and still equal to at least one contract, 100 shares. And those big stocks be very stable. Unlike penny stock, you try to get in and try to hold or whatever, or day trades, if they fall on you and that's it, it's game over. Once you fall all the way down, you be waiting forever. At least with the big stocks, even though it fell, like Tesla, it fell a couple of times, but always come back up. So that's why I say it's best to set 2-3 weeks in advance. So good luck. If you have any questions, contact me, DM me, message me, Snapchat me. My Facebook group, it's not Penny Stock Trade with Leo anymore. It's Stock Market Trade with Leo. And because I'm done with penny stock pretty much. I see the potential with option trade. And or you can find me on Trading Stock Solution Discord. Okay. Trading Stock Solution Discord is a free Discord chat. We have a lot of members, and we talked about a lot of things. What's good stocks to play. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned for next.